Are you drowning in subscriptions? Dreading that monthly bill for dozens of apps just to get your work done? What if I told you one single AI tool could potentially do the job of 10, saving you time, money, and sanity? Today, we're putting the future of productivity to the test. Is this all-in-one AI a revolutionary game-changer, or just another overhyped promise? Let's find out. Alright, let's set the stage. On one side, we have our challenger, OmniAI. It claims to be the Swiss Army knife of AI, promising to handle everything from writing and image generation to coding assistance and data analysis. Think of it as your single portal for a multitude of AI tasks. On the other side, we have the established champions, the App Army. This is your collection of specialized tools. We're talking dedicated AI writers like Jasper or Writesonic, image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E 3, coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, maybe even a transcription tool or a presentation maker. Each is designed to do one thing, and do it exceptionally well. The question is, can OmniAI, the jack of all trades, truly master them all? First up, versatility. OmniAI boasts a massive feature list. It can write blog posts, generate social media captions, draft emails, create entire website copy, design marketing materials, code snippets, summarize documents, and even generate basic presentations. It's designed to be your go-to for almost any text-based or visual content creation need. The App Army, on the other hand, is a collection of specialists. Jasper is king of marketing copy. Midjourney is the undisputed art director. Copilot is the coder's best friend. Each app in the App Army is laser-focused on its niche. They've spent years, if not decades, refining their specific functionalities.